Hi everyone, with another video, and this time is a very different video because this idea since a long time I was thinking, but because until I not get authentic idea, I don't make a video just to follow other people. There's a lot of free energy videos, free energy devices, how you can run different way with the free energy. You can get it at home, and especially after there is so much complication in the world, like tsunami or any kind of emergency, earthquakes and even the wars. So we have to ready, as my free internet also videos I say, we have to get ready for any condition. So this one is a simple and easy. First thing you have to understand for the free energy, what is the word is energy. So energy is everywhere. In our hand also I have energy. When we use bicycle, there is energy generate. When we move anything, energy is everywhere. And the magnet is the something I can say is a really source of the free energy in the world. There's a one thing is a magnet that you can get no other thing for free energy. For example, if you use your body or you use animal body, you have to feed them or you have to feed yourself, then you have a power to use energy. But the nature energy, there's energy like air is also energy, right? Water have energy. But that is long topic. Same thing, if I will start talking about these things, it's become very long video, but it's very important. Watch video carefully to understand a basic concept that energy is everywhere, but we have to know how to use it or how to convert it, right? So anyway, let's start. And as you can see, this is a quite big magnet, and you can see I didn't do anything. You see, the big magnet is pushing the small magnet, right? Okay, let me here on the side both bulb. Okay, now the big magnet is pushing the small magnet, so this one have energy. But how amazing thing is, mostly what happen, the big thing can push or pull to small thing, but it's rarely happen the small thing can push or pull, not double, I think 5 time to 8 time bigger than this. You can see this is not a double size, this is maybe 3x or 4x bigger than this, right? But how about this thing? This thing is pushing. How about this thing? Is that can push also? Yes, as you can see, even this is small also. So it's a lot of energy if you have a strong magnets. As you can see, let me see, even the small magnet, it can push the big magnet. And this magnet is quite heavy, I think more than 1 kilo. It's a quite big thick magnet. So how this magnet have a strong energy? Yeah, because it's small, we can say this is small one. But how about this? Isn't the small magnet easily pushing, because negative and positive energies are here, as you can see. And there is nothing smoothing, but this is just the tiles. So okay, so at least the energy is everywhere, and especially the magnets, they have a lot of free energy. But how we use it, how we utilize it, that is very important. So watch video completely and very carefully. So now one thing is clear, these are magnet, and if I just change the pole, and even this magnet can, you can see, it can push and pull in a both way. No matter energy is more there, but this energy also it can use to transfer. So this small magnet, okay, put it here on the side. Now this is a standard 220 volt here, and I'm going to show you. Okay, here 220 volt on it. Okay. Electricity working. Okay, now I'm going to change another bulb. Okay, here 220 volt on. Okay, so now you can see both. But if I'm going to use same thing here, you can see if I'm using this, it's not going to work because there's no electricity, right? No electricity is 3 pin. But here, if the same thing I'm using here, because 220 volt is work. Okay, right here. Okay, so now I'm going to push these things. We coming to our basic things. Okay, with here demonstration finish. Just I want to show you 220 volt versus here's no volt. So if somebody have any kind of doubt, now I want to bring out this all wire clearly. Everything will be here. Okay, now we need to give a circle. You can calculate yourself how many circle I am giving here. First, it's better I will bring out all the wire until here, and after we're going to start. First we have to, because the wire is a little bigger, so I have a little bit difficulty, but starting from here. Okay, see, very smoothly we have to keep giving the circles. Okay, again, this is a speaker magnet. You can get it small, some old speaker to use this one. Okay, this, see, it takes time, but it's worth it. It's worth it. So energy is everywhere, but the thing is, if we know how to convert in what method you want it, so that's the thing. For example, we have a car, we use car to loading the things also, we use car as a pulling also, we use car as a pushing also, and we use a car as a energy generator also from the engine, right? We can build electric, we can build the lights, we can on our lights. So actually the engine we can use for multi-purpose, right? And what is engine is all about the metal parts, right? Pushing and pulling. In there have a piston inside, they are pulling and pushing, and from there, starting for every car, you can use a two method. The main basic method is push the car to start engine actually. So what we use to alternate, we use a battery. If your car or bike, they don't have battery, right? What you gonna do? The simple and old easy method, you push the car. I think you ever used to it. Push the car and suddenly the engine starts, right? So now we have a jumpers, of course. So this thing is very, I hope you understand the pushing and pulling. These are the very old method to get energy from the engine. Same in the bicycle. When you run the bicycle, later I will little bit setting, no problem. let it be, because wire is quite thick. At least you know the basic concept is very important. Yeah, just give a round, don't have to worry. Make a thick coil, so the coiling is important. Yeah, okay, no worries. The coil is important there. See, my camera also going to fall down, but I don't want to cut the video. Let it be, keep going on, because my setup is not for this thing. My setup mostly free internet micro setup, so the micro setup is not suitable for making this kind of free energy setup. Is a big setup actually. So my table is quite small to make this kind of video, so I choose straight away the floor of my room. So that's why the camera is a little bit difficult to settle down. My tripod going to fall down also once it's hitting to my shoulder, because now I'm using a full energy. As you can see, I'm using a full energy to get a free energy. And slightly sweating because my work is micro work basically, but because of search and discovery passion, I got a lot of ideas and concept and test as my channel name. Okay, you can see even is getting difficult and difficult, but we have to. Okay, the basic thing is already done, the coiling. Okay, the last one, yeah. Okay, now you can see, you can check how many round I give. Okay, so now you can see everything is here, and off first for security, off already here. I'm going to put it, you can choose any one, but here is okay. Earlier, now nothing here, the coil is here, everything down, nothing, everything here. Okay, start, 1 2 3, not work. Okay, let's see, maybe bulb not properly. Okay, on here now. Yeah, boom. I forget that was off and I didn't turn on, and now 1 2 3, on, off, and now it's on. You can see there's no wire, nothing, only the simple method. It's working perfectly. There is no wire, nothing, you can see. So yeah, hope you like the video. Let me know. I will again recommend you watch video completely. I make video very transparent way. I make video very transparent and simple in easy way. And if you have any question, you can ask me. Watch completely. How many turns I give, you can calculate. And yeah, the perfect and easy and simple way. Energy is everywhere. If I talk about only energy, and I talk about how the theory about that, it will be maybe 1 hour video and more than that. And what the security purpose, the energy electricity companies, they don't like we are making this kind of video. So we have a simple, I have last in previous a lot of video deleted, because this is a billion and billion and billion dollar business every year from all over the world. So of course, what when we doing this thing, many time people thinking it's a joke, it's a prank, it's a fun, but actually everything is possible. This is idea, this is concept, this is demonstration, educational purpose, how you can get a free energy from your home. You don't have to worry. And now you can see here, plug in, plug plug in, plug out. I'm really tired to make this one, really, because my setup mostly free internet, and I have a small my table and I do everything there. But this time I'm sitting here on the floor down, and I'm doing this demonstration. And yeah, if you have any question, you can ask me. One thing more, I have one bulb more here, not only one bulb. So this bulb is on here. Okay, same thing. I will put another bulb also. Okay, yeah, boom. Simple, easy method you can do at your home easily. And here is a 220 volt. Here's a 220 volt I can use same way. But if you see here, the light is more. If it's here, a light is less. You can see, right? But here 220 volt is get a complete energy. We need to more improve, we can have more energy. Okay, now, so one thing I remember again, I have to tell you how the measurement is very important. So I want to tell you the measurement of the magnet. Again, first I will show you a little demonstration. Everything is here. Okay, and what kind of bulb I'm using. Bring out the bulb and check. So here is the bulb. Okay, this one is not very clear, but I think I have, oh yeah, it's just maybe already. Okay, I will choose the another bulb. So yeah, this bulb, yeah, it's written clear here. This is actually AC 175 volt to 285. This is actually 220 volt, 220 to 30, but they just give the minimum. Sometime electricity come up and down, so it's 28 watt bulb. So basically it's 28 watt bulb. Yeah, okay, so now you get idea. This bulb 38 watt, and this is 28 watt, or you can use 10 watt, 18 watt, whatever, is not an issue. Okay, number two thing, I'm going to up this off, and now the main thing is the magnet. I'm going to bring out this, and it takes time, so I need a, if you want to bring out, very simple, one by one you can bring out the, but the main thing I want to show you here, so your 3-pin, your extension will not have any harm about this. So one thing I want to show you, the magnet measurement. Actually this is very important also, might be some people they want to know. So yeah, here you can see almost 2.5 centimeter here, and the thickness exactly 2 centimeter or 20 mm. Okay, and here is the total diagram of magnet. Start from 12 centimeter, exactly 12 centimeter. Okay, a little bit up and down is okay, acceptable if 1 or 2 centimeter can be acceptable, and the hole between is exactly 7 centimeter. You can see the middle gap is 7 centimeters. So all uh, all detail, I guess completely make this video very fair and very completely. And if you have any question, you can ask me. That's why I say watch video completely. Sometimes people get very quickly excited and they just want to make a quick video. Now you see I'm bringing out, I want to make this same setup with the small microwave. This is the, might be the magnet slightly difficult for many people. So I want to make this kind of video uh, in the small factor, like a small magnets, but strong magnets, not the big one. Because if I have a small magnets, it's more easy to convenient and might be easy to order. For example, this is almost more than 1 kilo. Might be you cannot get in your country, maybe in AliExpress, is Chinese website. So it's difficult to order because of weight and sometime import duties. So I will try on my next video to make more micro setup. So if you are interested to see this kind of videos more, please let me know, because I have a lot of free internet Wi-Fi videos, and I will see if my audience and you guys really want to see videos for free energy. Let me know. I will make more videos and more easy and simple method. Thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my last 5 videos to your social, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, because you can be the winner for next my giveaway iPhone.